In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can manifest successfully every single time by avoiding a vital mistake that Neville Goddard talks about that many people make without even realizing it, that can keep you from manifesting your desired reality. Now, you need to make sure that you are not making this mistake without realizing it, because it can mean the difference between success and failure in manifesting. So be sure to watch to the very end of this video so you can avoid this mistake altogether, and so that you can become a master at manifesting your desired reality. Be sure to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone in your life that you think may find this information helpful. The one thing that you must do to ensure that you truly embody the state of already having your desire is to avoid double-mindedness by maintaining your focus on what you want throughout your day. That means that even while you are not visualizing your desire in meditation, you make sure that your inner dialogue supports you having what you want. So for example, if you want to make more money, then you visualize yourself in situations that imply you have that money. This would include buying whatever you want, or even taking a luxury vacation. Tap into the feeling of freedom and put yourself in situations where you feel this freedom of having this money. Do this visualization for about 5 to 10 minutes. Then, when you are not doing visualization and you are going about your day, make sure that you are telling yourself that you have this money. Do not go back into limited thinking and states of lack where you think, I don't have the money I want. That is the mistake that many people make when they attempt to manifest. No, do not allow your thoughts to fall back into that limited thinking. You tell yourself that you have this money and what you want is happening even as you go about through your day while you are not in this visualization. The mistake that most people make that will prevent them from manifesting their desire is when they fall back into their old ways of limited thinking while they are not doing their visualizations. They do their visualizations of having their desire, but when they come out of that visualization and go about their day, they then begin to tell themselves that they do not have what they want, and they don't even realize that they are making this mistake. This is double-mindedness, because you are embodying two different states of mind. One where you have your desire, and the other where you don't. This is where Neville Goddard explains that you cannot serve two masters. He says, quote, "If you are dissatisfied with present conditions, the only way to change it is to remove your attention from it and rise in consciousness to the conditions as you wish them to be. You cannot serve two masters or opposing states of consciousness at the same time. Taking your attention from one state and placing it upon the other, you die to the one from which you have taken it, and you live and express the one with which you are united." End quote. What this means is that you cannot entertain two different states, a state of having your desire and a state of lacking your desire, and expect it to manifest. This is what he means by you cannot serve two masters. You must direct your attention away from what you don't want, even as you go about through your day. You must only persist in the state of having your desire and let go of any idea that you do not have your desire. When you continually do this, you will manifest your desires inevitably. So how can you avoid this mistake of serving two masters? The first step is to become aware of when you tell yourself that you don't have your desire. This statement can present itself in various flavors, such as feelings or even thoughts like, it's impossible, I'm not enough, or how can I get what I want? Be mindful of your thoughts and notice what they are telling you. Is it coming from a place of fear or love? If it's fearful, then it's likely coming from a state of lack. Once you are aware of the thoughts that indicate that you do not have your desire, then allow them to pass. Don't entertain them, nor do not force them away. but allow them to pass naturally and then redirect your mind to a thought you can accept that is more aligned with you having your desire. This could look like telling yourself that your desire is a possibility that can happen, or even just entertaining the idea of what it would be like if your desire were true. Pick a thought or a feeling that is easiest for your mind to accept. The more you do this, then the easier it will become. This is essentially what Neville Goddard calls a mental diet, in that you are only giving power to your internal dialogue that is supportive of having what you want. This does take time and patience, so be compassionate with yourself as you are establishing a new habit. But with practice, it will of course become easier. So be mindful of your thoughts throughout the day while you are not visualizing your desire in a meditative state. These limiting thoughts can creep up on you without you realizing it, so set an intention that you will be aware of them and redirect yourself to the feeling of having your desire. When you do this enough, and you frequently return to the state of already having your desire, then it will manifest in your physical reality. Now, I hope you found this video to be helpful in your manifesting journey. Please be sure to hit the like button, leave a comment below with your biggest takeaway, and share this video with someone in your life that you think would find this information helpful. Also, please be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every time a new video is uploaded, so you can accelerate your manifesting and have the life you truly desire.